Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, November 21st. Hope your week was going well. Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready for Thanksgiving for next week. We have my husband's brother and his family are coming. They come for a few days next week, and my mother-in-law too, and my daughter's boyfriend will be here too. So we'll have like 10 people for Thanksgiving dinner and for the weekend pretty much. So I have a lot of prep to do, cleaning, getting the house ready, shopping, cooking, all that stuff. But that's one of my favorite meals to prepare. Anyway, so that's what I've been up to, getting ready. I've been decorating for Christmas as well. Almost done with that. I did get some shopping done this week. Of course, I always have to squeeze in some shopping, or I do anyway. But I did go to Ollie's, the one that I have more luck in. There are two in my area, in the Syracuse, New York area. Neither one is great. This one is the better of the two. So I did find a few good things. I found this book, and this is Classic Country Christmas by Lynette Jensen, who owns Thimbleberries. And this was $3.99. This was published a while ago. Decorating, entertaining, and quilting inspirations for celebrating Christmas all through the house. I think it was like in the late 90s or 2000, early 2000s. You could see it's kind of dated, which I like. I like this style. And I was looking through it. I'll just do a quick flip through. It's got like, well, I should start from the beginning. It's got like decorating ideas and different ways that she decorates her house, and then projects as well. Just like kind of primitive country kind of late 90s, early 2000 decorations. And I think they're classic, really. You might think they're dated, but I love them. So I thought I would, just look through this for inspiration, maybe try out a couple of projects too. Look at that, isn't that cute? I just love that country look. So yeah, that was $4. There's even some recipes too. And then I found these. This is unusual for me to find something this decent. So this was $1.99. It's a 6x8 paper pad by Pink Paisley called Lucky Us. And I'll do a quick flip through. It's 36 sheets. I don't think I have this. Yeah, I probably don't. So this came out in 2023. I don't know, maybe I have it, but I don't think so. So it's got some really pretty Valentine papers. Valentine's Day crafting is right around the corner. Isn't that pretty? These are single-sided. Love this like tonal floral print. So hopefully if you have an Ollie's near you, you can find this as well. Isn't that pretty? Oh, so nice. Just love all the papers, and they do repeat. So I did get two of them. I wanted to just send one to one of you guys just to share the wealth. So if you're interested in this, just leave me a comment that says paper pad. Okay, and I will enter you into just a little giveaway. I'll send this and a few other things too. I did send out my giveaway from last time, and hopefully she will get that soon. So this time of year, it's just a season of giving, so I want to share what I get. So yeah, if you want this plus a few other things, just leave me a comment. I'll pick a random winner. I'll announce it next week in my Black Friday video. It's got to be US only, have to be 18 or over, and just the usual YouTube kind of things. And just say paper pad in your comment if you would like to pick that up. All right, so there's two of those. And then I got two of these too, which was such a great find for me. These are the 12 by 12 Astro Designs, just white cardstock. It was $2.99. I don't know if you remember, but I had found one of these at Walmart. Sorry for that glare. And it was on clearance for $3, and I went back to get more, and they didn't have any. And now I found them at Ollie's, two of them for $3. So I already opened one because I needed some 12 by 12 paper, but this is perfect for me because I have a printer now that can print 12 by 12. And thank you. You guys have given me feedback on that printer. A lot of you guys like it too, so thank you so much. It's a Canon printer. I'll link it down below in case you're interested and didn't see that video, but I did pick that up at Ollie's, two of those. And I think that was it at Ollie's. Yeah, that was it. I went to Barnes & Noble this week because I was looking for a new planner. My daughter said that she had seen the Pusheen 2026 planner there, and I looked at it, but the pages are glossy, and I don't like writing in a planner with glossy pages, so I didn't get it. But I finally found this. This comes out every year, the Better Homes and Gardens Holiday Crafts magazine, and it's so expensive. It's $15 in the US, $20 in Canada, which is totally crazy, but I do like to pick it up because it does have really cute projects, and it does have a pattern pack inside, which, you know, patterns are expensive, so it's nice to have that. And this one has, I was looking through it, it's got projects from the 1970s through every decade, which was really fun and just nice to look back at. You could see like the summary there, right? So it just tells you like some of their projects that they had back then, because this is like their 50th anniversary, and ways to update them, 1980s. I wasn't crafting in the 80s. I was like a, you know, young person then, not crafting like a teenager or becoming a teenager. So, you know, not crafting then. I started, I think, in the 90s crafting. Yeah, 2000s were really when I really started crafting, when my kids were little. So there's that. And then let's see. Oh, I got an order in from Sweet Miss Daisy Designs, who is Anna White. Hi, Anna, if you're watching. I haven't even opened it yet. I saw her latest release, had some beautiful stamps, so I wanted to pick some up, and she always packages things so nicely. I love this little gingerbread sticker here. And my nails are from Temu. Aren't they pretty? I've just been really loving my Temu nails, and they're like, you know, $2 for 24 of them. So I've been very happy with those. Okay, so these are the two stamp sets I picked up from Anna. This one is called Gingerbread Cookies, and I think I have this one from Serendipity Stamps that was available through Impression Obsession. I'm pretty sure that's where it came from. But this one was reverse looking the other way. Anna was able to make it look this way, so they're looking at each other. And then it comes with the sentiments: baked with love, thank you, you're so sweet, for you, and sugar plum wishes and gingerbread kisses. So I, you know, love gingerbread, guys, so I had to pick those up. And then there was this one too, which is called Just for You. So it has all these little guys that you could put in something or just popping up from the bottom of a card. There's a gingerbread, a penguin, a reindeer with an ornament hanging from his antlers, Santa, and a snowman. And the sentiments that say Merry Christmas, to and from, Happy Holidays, have a sweet Christmas, and Christmas treats just for you, and a snowflake. And I love the typewriter font. That's just wonderful. And these are small enough to put on tags or on cards. So I will link these down below if they're still available on Anna's storefront, and that's in Etsy. So Anna is just a wonderful designer, and I just love her products, and a great person as well. Happy to support Anna. All right, Amazon, I picked up some watercolors, believe it or not. I play some games on my phone, and one of the ads came up for Emily Leck's watercolor workbooks, and I will link them down below. I actually asked for one or two of them for Christmas. I put them on my Christmas list. I want to get better at watercoloring. I like doing it. I just don't know what I'm doing, so I kind of thought a workbook would help. So I picked up these watercolors from Amazon, and they're by Prima. This color palette is called Vintage Pastels, and I just love those colors. So that's what they look like. I'll show these to you. I'll link them down below in the description box as well, in case you want to pick them up. I don't think they're currently being made. I think you have to get them on, like, I don't know, maybe like, I don't think they're widely available anymore, but there are different color palettes too. Yeah, it came out in 2018. But it comes with 12 colors, a tin box with 2 fold-out mixing palettes, and a blank swatch card, which is super nice. And that's what the palettes look like when you fold them out. And those are the little cubes of the watercolors, which is nice, you know, the individual cubes. I think that's mark of a good palette, I'm pretty sure. And this is the palette swatch card, and they're just really soft, like vintagey colors. So I thought I would like those. So sorry for that. That was really loud. So anyway, got that, and there are other palettes too that I was thinking about getting. If you've used these before, can you let me know what you think? I do have other watercolors, but I love these colors, so I want to pick them up. I know you can mix colors too, but I figured since I'm a beginner, I would use the ready-made colors. So that's from Amazon. All right, and I went to Hobby Lobby this week. I picked up this embroidery floss pack. This is $3.49, and these are 6-strand cotton flosses, and it's the pastel mix. I thought these were so pretty. I want to do some more embroidery projects. In fact, I have an order of wool felt coming in that I ordered. And I do get questions occasionally what kinds of felt that I use, and I do use National Nonwovens. And I answered this last week too, wool blends, so I ordered some more of those. So I got some floss to go with that. And then I picked up more of these. These were 50% off. The candy pieces, $3.49, so they're, what, $1.75. And I do like to use these in my crafts. So I got another pack of those. And then I got this pack of huge plastic bags. And these are in the art supply section. They're $4.99 for 25. And these are 12.4 by 16.3 inches. So a lot of times, I'm just gonna, you can see how big they are. I'm gonna move it off because of the glare. A lot of times, like my collection kits, the bags will break. And I just kind of tape them up and things fall out. So I was hoping that these would work well to fix that. And I was gonna bring a collection kit over. Let me get one, hang on. So here's an example of a collection kit. This is Echo Park Santa's Christmas delivery. I'm actually using this, working on a Scrap Diva Designs project. But see how mine always rip and then things fall out. So these, I mean, these seem to be like the same kind of weight as this one. So I'll probably just like transfer this whole thing into there. And let's see. Okay, so this is one of the ones I got from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to test it out just in case you're, maybe want to do the same thing. I feel like this is going to break. I think I'll have to take it out of this bag. Okay, I took it out. And now we're going to try and put it in this one. They had a pack that was even bigger than this one, but I thought that might be just too big to store. So yeah, I think this will work fine if you take it out of the original bag. So, oh yeah, actually that works great. That is the perfect size for these. So yeah, in case you're getting frustrated with your collection kit bags too, you can, get new ones at Hobby Lobby. And I think $5 for 25 is a pretty good price, right? So yeah, that's it for my haul for this week. Like I said, I have some wool coming in, some wool felt coming in next week. I've got a scrapbook.com order coming in. I did order the mini Misty as well as some other things. I think that's coming on Saturday, so I will I'll make a video. I'm probably going to make it next Wednesday. I usually film my videos on Thursday, but obviously next week is Thanksgiving. I will not have time to make it then, but I will make one for Black Friday, of course. And let's see. Okay, so my Scrap Diva Designs video will probably be out tomorrow, which is Saturday, and that'll be November projects. I'm not going to be doing December projects. I think I mentioned that before for Scrap Diva Designs or KS Craft, just to give myself some time to catch up on my own projects. And I'll still be on just as much, almost as much in December with projects and tutorials and things like that. But yeah, otherwise, I will be back soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, if you are interested in receiving a pack of the Lucky Us paper pad, just mention paper pad in your comment, and I will pick a random winner next week. And I'll pick it on Wednesday and announce it on Friday. And let me know what you're up to. I hope you have some time to yourself coming up this busy week and getting out there Christmas shopping too. I know it's kind of crazy out there, but I try to go out as early as possible to avoid the crowds, and so far it works out pretty well. All right, my friends, I will be back soon. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your sweet comments. I appreciate every single one of you. This time of year, you're always looking at things you're thankful for, and I am so thankful to my viewers, subscribers, commenters, just all my supporters. I appreciate you so, so much. And yeah, I hope you have a great week. Happy Thanksgiving, and I will talk to you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.